are called to defend themselves. They fight for the weak. They speak for the unheard. They uphold the scales of justice. But today, an advocate is being treated like a criminal, not for wrongdoing, but for doing his job. Prajapati, not just a lawyer, one of us, he didn't commit a silence. The High Court said, just a witness summons, cooperate. But the Black Court got its voice back. Justice spoke up. Two questions a lawyer because they advise a client. If police suspect more, shouldn't there be judicial oversight before action? These are not legal questions. These are shields to protect the battle bigger than identity. This isn't about a bail order. This is about every lawyer who holds a brief. Can we argue? If the bar bows down today, the judiciary cracks tomorrow. Let this message echo in every chamber and every courtroom. The bar shall never be silent.